Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make sugar cookies. This will make about 60 cookies. I will also be showing you how to make royal icing. For this recipe you would need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of white sugar, 1½ cup of butter softened, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. In a large bowl, cream together white sugar and butter. Mix until smooth. Next, beat in the eggs and vanilla extract. Next, add in the baking powder and salt, and then slowly start to add in the flour. Once that is all done, cover and chill the dough for at least 1 hour or overnight. Divide the dough into 2 parts, cover with the cling wrap, and then place into the fridge overnight or for 1 hour. After 1 hour or when you are ready to complete the sugar cookies, remove 1 disc from the refrigerator. Place it on a well-floured surface and roll until it's about 1/4 to ½ inch thick. Choose a thickness that suits your taste. Thicker cookies will be softer. will get hard. Next, decorate your cookies. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.